Alrighty guys, welcome back to another Duncan Creek Outdoors video. Today we have a new Charles Daly 410 shotgun that folds in half. You can stick it right in your backpack while you're turkey hunting. Nice compact, but it's a model 101. It shoots 3-inch shells and it's got interchangeable chokes on it. And right now we have a Carlson TSS turkey choke in it, and we're gonna be shooting her here a little bit, shoot a couple clays, and patting it over there on Andy's turkey drawing. It doesn't look like a turkey if I do say anything, sir. We're gonna throw a old Remington 3-inch in here. We got number 6 shot. We're gonna see how she patterns on the top right dot. And this gun doesn't have a hammer on it. It's got a safety on it, and that counts as your hammer, so you don't have to cock it back. You just push her over.
Let's go check the pattern.
Let's go check her out. You shot a little low.
Here's the first pattern.
Had the bead right here. Pattern hit a little consistent low, but
that's okay. That'd kill something.
We'll take another shot at it and put the bead up here and see if we hit down here. Ooh, let's move this way so we don't shoot our shed. It'd be a bad deal if we shot our shed here. Same spot again. We're gonna aim a little bit, aim about 3 inches higher, see if we pattern drifts a little higher.
Let's go check.
Don, you want to check too. Oh, it's a lot better.
What do you think?
I'd definitely kill a turkey. I had the bead about top of the circle there. I think it'll kill. Now we're gonna go try shoot a clay or two with her. Got her nice and compact. Let's go for a little hike out to the field and shoot some clays now. Looks like Cola's coming with us. She wants to go hunting. Maybe we'll take her out rabbit hunting here, or squirrel hunting, before turkey season comes, and test her out a little more. Let us know if you want to see that. All right, now I only got a 2.5-inch shell, number 8. Now this gun doesn't have an auto ejector, but we'll show you that after the next shot. Make sure you always got your gun on safety. What?
I gotta throw this somehow.
Whoa!
Smoked it!
Now, when you eject it, it doesn't shoot out like most other single shots, so you gotta pull her out.
Folks, we recruited Pa. He's gonna throw the clay for us.
Alrighty.
Let it launch, Pops.
She gone.
All right, we're gonna get one last shot, and then we'll close out the video.
All right.
Final review.
Ready whenever. Oh.
Back up, Cola.
I think we need to take her bird hunting. And I also got the turkey choke in it too, so shooting pretty tight.
What do you think, Pops?
Yeah. Well, we got Dad shooting it now. He got 7.5 shot. He's gonna aim for the red dot.
Somewhere over there.
Let's see how he does.
I think he hit it.
Now we're gonna move her out to maybe 30, 35 yards and see how she patterns that far out. Well, it's patterning a little low again, aiming at the center of the dot. Same thing that was happening up here. So maybe aim a couple inches high next shot. Well, we got our turkey load here. We're gonna try out some Winchester Double X with her. See how she does. 3-inch, 7.5 shot. Now we're gonna go a step back and see how she patterns out for us. Well, we got her loaded up. We're about 20-25 yards away. We're gonna go for Andy's pterodactyl he drew down there, because it ain't no turkey. See how she did.
Put the bead on the top of his head.
Not terrible.
Full spread.
It will kill.
It may kill.
It will kill a pterodactyl.
There's maybe like 15 in the head.
Had the top of the bead about right here. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you guys like and subscribe and stick around. Watch us hopefully kill one of them turkeys with this sucker here. And recurve bow too.
Folks, if you want to see us kill a turkey with that shotgun, make sure to like and subscribe and hashtag God.